Hello and welcome. One of the biggest keys to really exploring a new city is figuring out the public transport. And yeah, it can feel a little intimidating. But today, we are going to crack the code. We're going to give you all the essential English phrases you need to go from feeling a little lost to navigating like a total pro. So let's get right into it.
Does this scene feel a little familiar? You're standing there in a brand new city. Everything's a bit of a blur, and trying to catch a train just feels, well, overwhelming. Trust me, we have all been there. But that feeling? That's exactly what we're gonna fix, right here, right now.
So, here's my promise to you. By the time we're done here, you're not just gonna know a few words. You are gonna have the actual keys to unlock the city, to explore with total confidence, almost like you've lived there your whole life.
All right, section 1, asking for directions. It makes sense, right? Before you could even get on a bus or a train, you've got to find the stop. So let's start with the absolute basics, how to ask for a little help.
You know the secret weapon here is just being polite. Starting your question with a simple, "Excuse me," or "Can you tell me," makes people so much more willing to help. And look how easy it is. You can just swap out the location, train station, bus stop, subway station. It's a simple, respectful, and honestly, an incredibly effective formula.
Okay, so you've found the station. Awesome. Step 2. Buying that all-important ticket. Now, this part can seem a little intimidating, but I promise you, it all just boils down to a few magic words.
This phrase right here is your new best friend. It is just brilliant in its simplicity. You say the type of ticket, a single, you say your destination, and then you add that magic word, please. All you have to do is fill in the blank. A single to, wherever you're going, please. See? So easy.
Now, this is a really important little detail. A single is a one-way ticket. It just gets you there. But if you know you're coming back later, you'll probably want to return. Why? Well, it's usually cheaper than buying two separate singles, so it's a great little travel hack to keep in mind.
But hang on, what if you're planning a whole day of hopping around the city? Well then this question is your golden ticket. A day pass usually gives you unlimited travel for the whole day. For sightseeing, it is an absolute game changer.
Ticket in hand. Nice work. So now the big question, where do you actually go to wait for your ride? Let's talk about finding the right platform or the right bus stop. This breaks it down perfectly. First, you're gonna look for those big destination boards. They'll tell you your platform number. Then you head to that platform. And here's a little pro tip, always double check the smaller screen on the platform itself. It's a tiny step that can save you from any last-second confusion.
Hey, let's be real, sometimes those boards are confusing, or you're just in a huge rush. There is absolutely no shame in asking for help. This simple question works wonders. Just pop in your destination and remember, people are usually more than happy to point you in the right direction.
Okay, let's learn a quick bit of vocabulary you're gonna hear a lot. Transfer or connection. It sounds complicated, but it's not. It just means your trip needs more than one bus or train to get where you're going. Your ticket or a Journey Planner app will always tell you if you need to make one.
Okay, section 4, on the move. You did it! You're on the train, you found a seat, and you are officially on your way. So what are some of the key phrases you might need during the journey itself?
Public transport is all about sharing a space, so a little politeness goes such a long way. Before you sit down, a quick, "Is this seat taken?" is always a good idea. A bit worried you might miss your stop? It's totally fine to ask someone for a little heads up. And when it's time to get off, a simple "Sorry, this is my stop" is the perfect way to squeeze past.
And listen up, those automated announcements are your best friend. Seriously, you'll hear phrases just like this one, telling you exactly what's coming up next. As soon as you hear your destination, that's your cue to start getting ready to hop off.
And here we are, the final leg of the journey. You've enjoyed the ride, and now for maybe the most important part, making sure you get off at the right stop.
You ever get that little moment of panic as the train or bus pulls in? Wait, is this it? Is this my stop? It happens to everyone. A quick question to a passenger next to you is the fastest way to get that confirmation before the doors close.
Okay, this is a super important tip for buses. Unlike trains, they don't always stop at every single stop. As you get close to yours, you need to signal the driver. Look for a button on a pole or a cord along the window to let them know you need to get off.
So let's just do a quick recap of the absolute essentials. Really, everything we've talked about boils down to this powerful little toolkit. From buying your ticket, to finding your platform, to making sure you get off at the right place, these are the core phrases that will get you through almost any situation.
And that's it. The system is officially demystified. You have the phrases, you have the know-how, you are ready to go. So the only real question left is, where are you gonna explore first? Happy travels.